Hello kids, welcome to MG Colors. Today நம்ம alphabets A to Z color பண்ண போறோம். A for apple, B for ball, C for cat learn பண்ண போறோம். Colors name பார்க்கலாம் வாங்க. Dark green, pink, light green, yellow, purple, brown, sky blue, orange, violet, green blue, blue, red and black color. A for apple. A for ant. Red color. A kaduthu enna kids? B. B for ball. B for bat. B. Green color. C. C for cat. C for cow. Pink color. D. D for dog. D for dolphin. Brown color. E. E for elephant. E for eagle. E. Violet color. F. F for fish. F for fan. Purple color. G. G for giraffe. G for goat. Sky blue color. G kaduthu enna varum kids? H. H for hat. H for hand. H for hat. H for him. Sky blue color. I for ice cream. I for ink. I. Orange color. I kaduthu enna varum kids? J. J for jug. J for jaguar. Blue color. J kaduthu K. This is K. K for kite. K for king. Green blue color. K kaduthu L. L for lion. L for lemon. Dark green color. This is M. M for monkey. M for mango. Pink color. N. N for nest. N for nose. Brown color. This is letter O. Then a letter kids? O. O for orange. O for owl. Brown color. O kaduthu P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Light green color. P kaduthu Q. This is letter Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Violet color. Q kaduthu R. R for rainbow. R for rabbit. Orange color. R கடுத்து S. S for sun. S for sunflower. Black color. S கடுத்து T. T for tiger. T for tree. Sky blue color. T கடுத்து U. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. Yellow color. U கடுத்து V. V for violin. V for van. Yellow color. V கடுத்து W. W for watch. W for watermelon. W dark green color. W கடுத்து X. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. Brown color. X கடுத்து Y. Y for clock. Y for yo-yo. Red color. Y கடுத்து Z. Z for zebra. Z for zip. Z